Ready to start playing League of Legends but not sure where to begin? Let's get you from zero to your very first match in under a minute. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the official League of Legends website. Click the play or download button to grab the game installer. When the file finishes downloading, open it. In the setup window, hit install, choose where to save the game, and confirm to start the installation. While it installs, you'll be asked to log in or create a Riot account. Click Create Account, add your email, birthday, and choose a username and strong password. Check your email for a verification message from Riot. Open it and click the Verify or Confirm button so your account is ready to use. Once your account is verified and the game finishes installing, launch League of Legends and sign in with your new Riot username and password. After you log in, the main client opens. First, look for the large play button at the top or center of the screen and click it. For beginners, choose a co-op versus AI or practice tool mode. These options let you learn safely without pressure from real players. Next, pick a map. Select Summoner's Rift, the main map most players use. It's the best place to learn core gameplay. Now choose a champion. For your first games, look for simple champions labeled as easy or recommended, then click Lock In. When the match loads, follow the on-screen tutorial tips. Use right-click to move, Q, W, E, enter for abilities, and keep an eye on the minimap in the corner. That's it. You've installed League, made your account, and started your first match. Hit play again anytime to keep practicing and leveling up your skills.